Okay, this is the two hammocks. I just got finished cutting grass. And guys, look. I moved the tree, like I said. And look how good it looked. You can see so clearly now. See very clear. I still got to get that done over there. I didn't want to get into that because I don't know if it's a snake or something over here. I got to get a weed eater, but I got to get this done. I'm going to get somebody to do this, to get it started for me, and then I'll maintain it. This is what I'm doing on Halloween. I don't need to go party. I don't need all that. Look how nice it is. And guys, this lawnmower, it runs by the battery. And I'm telling you, it is a good one. Now look at that clear place when I moved that tree. You remember the tree? That tree, it was a tree right there. And I moved it right there. I'm getting ready to water it. And you remember it was another tree right here. I had to have that chopped down, professional. Then I trimmed some of them leaves from there with a saw. Look here. And this is the lawnmower. Guys, when I say this is a nice one for ladies, this is a nice one. It runs by a battery, come with a charger. And I'm telling you, this thing goes fast. And this where you started, this push this, and look there. It's not even on really. It's not even on. Get it started, all you have to do is just say, let's see. Wait a minute. Or you hold this. Y'all might see me fall in my bag. I mean, it goes so smooth. This is slow. And you turn it up here. I don't want to do max. I turned that off. Watch. It turn, you see, let it go. And you see how fast it crank up? Wait a minute. I'm trying to do it. Wait a minute. Start right on up. I got it kind of fast. Watch it. Take it loose. Go up some more. I usually do down here, medium, right here. I usually do it there. Do the whole yard. It don't take no time. This is how I go. I be going like this. There you go. It turn off. You got your bag. You got a charger. Nip it right here. How high you want it to cut right here. Cut the grass. Just the name. And it's nice. Just look how grass looks nice. Don't I cut good? I'm my own independent lady. I don't need a, okay. It's nice. Don't forget to hit like and share this video. Hit that top bell, ding ding, so you can get more of my DIY. And guys, And another video is coming up, update. I'm going to get a Sprinter van, and I'm going to fix it up. I'm thinking about buying some land, getting some land. We'll see. It's going to be a surprise. You guys going to have a surprise. But don't forget to hit like and share. Hit that top bell, because guess what? Sharing is caring. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye. Love you.